For mild croup cases, some home remedies can be shown to provide some relief. Simple things like running a hot shower so that you can breathe in that steamy air and loosen up the secretion. But for more moderate to severe cases, there may be a need for medical treatment, including steroids, to directly reduce the airway inflammation and make the breathing easier. What is the treatment for whooping cough? With whooping cough, antibiotics are absolutely essential. You have to treat the bacterial infection and prevent it also from spreading to others. The antibiotics help kill off the pertussis bacteria, and even with antibiotics, the cough can last for weeks or even months as the airways heal.